Saturday night. Here we are making some pizza. It's just a straight ahead Trader Joe's one. This is if you don't have time to make your own dough and all of this. I love to do this. But let's start by making the sauce. Some little can of San Marzano tomatoes, which are outstanding for some reason. And I even just read a taste test where they're clearly better. We're gonna put a little Louis in there. Not too much. Get some salt, pepper, and garlic. Just a dash of Italian herbs, and then some oregano. Now, a little tip I like to do with dried seasonings, pour a little bit in my hands, and rub them together and break them open. A little pro tip, you're really opening them up nicely. A pinch of sugar. Pretty simple, huh? That's delicious. It's amazing, keeping it simple, how much better your pizza sauce is. Now we're going to roll out the dough. Flour down. So here we go. Going to roll it in a ball. Now, I'm going to make the pizza rectangular, and I'll tell you why. Crazy idea. I'm going to use this as my dome on the griddle. Got it at 425, so let's set that aside. I'm going to start thinking in terms of this being a rectangle. Give me a little edge here. Okay. Let's go outside and cook the pizza. Okie dokie, here comes pizza time. A little cornmeal, a little olive oil, tomato sauce. Okay. Quattro formaggio. That's 4 cheeses, baby. You'll be tested later. Mozzarella. Some of this Mexican cheese for color. Pepperoni. Put our pan over in our oven. And let's see if this crazy idea works. You know, I get these crazy ideas. Let me sneak in here. Maybe not as brown as I like, caramelization, but it sure looks good. Oh, the crust feels great. Okay, here we go. We got the pizza. Nice tight bottom. Nice and crunchy. It's not burned. Cracker crust. Beautiful. Thank you, everybody. Check us out at BigPapaSmokers.com. Cooking with Big Papa. Big Papa Smokers on all the different social media sites. I'm going to eat some pizza and relax.